Did you know that YouTube Shorts are racking up over 6.5 billion views every single day? That's more than double the engagement of traditional YouTube videos. But it's not just about the numbers. Shorts are redefining how creators connect with their audience. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, mastering Shorts could be the game changer your channel needs. But how do you make sure your Shorts aren't just seen, but actually drive growth for your channel? Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dave, and I'm all about helping you grow your presence on YouTube and beyond. Today, we're diving into YouTube Shorts, those snappy, bite-sized videos that are taking the platform by storm. But here's the thing, with everyone jumping on the Shorts bandwagon, simply posting a video isn't enough. You need to understand what makes a short truly stand out, how to keep your viewers hooked from start to finish, and, most importantly, how to turn those views into loyal subscribers. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about mastering YouTube Shorts, from the basics to the advanced techniques that top creators are using right now. Let's talk about the challenges. We've all been there. You're already busy with your regular uploads, managing your social media, engaging with your community, maybe even balancing another job or school. And now, there's this new format, YouTube Shorts, that everyone's raving about. But here's the catch: creating a short that truly resonates isn't as easy as just trimming down a longer video. The time constraints are real. You've got a maximum of 60 seconds to capture your audience's attention, deliver your message, and keep them engaged. And then there's the issue of viewer retention. With so much content out there, how do you make sure your audience sticks around for the entire duration of your short? These are the challenges we're going to tackle head-on in this video. So, how do you create a short that not only grabs attention, but also keeps your viewers hooked? Let's start with the basics: storytelling. Even in a 15-second short, you need to think like a storyteller. Every short should have a clear structure: a beginning, middle, and end. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many shorts out there lack this fundamental structure. Whether you're telling a joke, sharing a quick tip, or showcasing a product, your short should take the viewer on a mini journey. Planning is key. Before you hit record, take a few minutes to sketch out a rough storyboard. What's the hook? What's the main message? How do you want to end it? This doesn't have to be a full-blown production. Just a few quick notes will do. The goal is to ensure that every second of your short is purposeful. Next up, let's talk editing. This is where you can really make your short stand out. Quick cuts, text overlays, and music can add a lot of energy to your video. But don't go overboard. Remember, the content is king. Use these tools to enhance your message, not to distract from it. Also, consider the pacing. You want your short to feel snappy and engaging, but not rushed. Experiment with different editing techniques to find what works best for your style. And then there's the hook. The first 2 seconds of your short are absolutely critical. This is where you either grab your viewers' attention or lose them to the next video. Your hook could be a provocative question, an unexpected action, or even just a strong visual that makes people stop scrolling. Think about it. What would make you pause your scrolling and watch a short? That's the kind of hook you want to create. Let me share a quick story with you. A while back, I posted a short that ended up going viral, and the secret sauce wasn't just in the editing or the story, it was in the relatability. I tapped into a trending topic that my audience was passionate about, and it resonated on a personal level. Within hours, the short was getting thousands of views, hundreds of comments, and most importantly, tons of new subscribers. That's the ultimate goal with shorts. Not just to get views, but to create content that people connect with on a deeper level. Here's how you can do it too. Start by keeping an eye on what's trending in your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, check out what's popular on other social media platforms, and of course, pay attention to what your own audience is talking about. Once you've identified a trend, think about how you can relate it to your content. How can you put your own unique spin on it? The key is to stay authentic. Don't just chase trends for the sake of it. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine, and that's what will keep them coming back for more. For example, let's say there's a trending challenge or a viral meme in your niche. Instead of just copying what everyone else is doing, think about how you can add value. Can you add a tip, a personal insight, or even a humorous twist? By making the trend your own, you'll stand out from the crowd and create something that's not only engaging, but also memorable. Alright, let's recap the key strategies we covered today. First, we talked about the importance of storytelling. Even in the shortest of videos, a clear structure is essential. Then, we dove into editing techniques that can elevate your shorts, like quick cuts, text overlays, and the right use of music. We also stressed the importance of having a strong hook. Those first 2 seconds can make or break your short. Finally, we revealed the ultimate technique for boosting your short's effectiveness: relatability. By tapping into trending topics and connecting with your audience on a personal level, you can turn a simple short into a powerful tool for growth. If you found this video helpful, I've got plenty more where that came from. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below.